Hello and welcome again to my palmistry course. This is lesson 2. My name is Lady Alexandra and this is the Gypsy Witch Magic Shop. Lesson 2, we cover an overview of the methodology of reading a palm. First step, determine the type of hand by the shape of the fingers and palm. It will be one of 5 types: the square, the conical, the spatulate, the pointed, or mixed. Test flexibility and texture. Determine the angle of the thumb. Look for smooth or knotty finger joints. Type the fingernails. Note peculiarities. Check the fingers for length. Long for detail, short for impulsiveness. Compare phalanges for irregularities in size and shape. Examine the set of the fingers, whether high, low, or normal. Check the slant of the fingers and the flat or cushioned appearance of each phalange. Check the thumb for the same characteristics as the fingers. Compare the 2 thumbs. Note the differences. Check every area of the palm for development, absence, or overdevelopment. Decide which mounts are important. These determine the natural abilities and emotional background. Note small markings not touching major lines. Evaluate the importance of the fingers directly connected with the developed mount areas. Check the life, head, and heart lines for beginnings, terminations, breaks, phrase, color, and special markings such as a cross or an island. Compare with the time chart to pinpoint the markings. Check for influence lines. Check the fate lines the same way. Look for secondary lines and analyze them carefully, especially for their relation to basic lines. Check all the findings and weigh them cautiously, bearing in mind the difference between the subjective and the objective hand. If a person is right-handed, the left hand is called the subjective hand, representing the natural talents and the characteristics. The right hand is called the objective hand, showing how those talents and qualities have been developed or neglected. Each of these 10 steps will be elaborated in detail in subsequent videos. How to tell time on a palm, in other words, when you see events, how to tell where or when in a person's life these events occurred. Time is computed approximately by dividing the basic lines into segments totaling 90 to 100 years, always starting from the beginning of each line. The lifeline starts the count from the point of beginning, which is between the thumb and forefinger. The head and heart lines follow the same way. The fate lines, Saturn, Apollo, and Mercury, start their time reading from the bottom of the palm to the top. That is the lesson for now on the basic steps of reading a palm and how to tell time. I will be continuing this series, so please like and subscribe for more palm reading videos, and please visit my shop if you would like to order a palm reading, my Etsy shop, or my website gypsywitchmagic.com. Thank you very much and have a wonderful evening.